What's up guys, it's Courtney, and today's episode of Just a Girl and Her Machine is sponsored by DistroKid. I have done a video before in the past where I talk about uploading your music to DistroKid and getting it onto streaming platforms, and you can click that over here. But today's video, I want to talk about a feature within DistroKid that really helps you in that promotional phase of getting your release out and that right before it drops, and it's called Hyperfollow. So I'm going to click the single that I have right now going, and it's Azaleas in Bloom. And what I'm going to go to is Hyperfollow and click Visit. And as you can see, this is basically like a one-stop shop for links. So I have my Spotify, Apple Music, and iTunes, and my website. And also it has my Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. But I need to add title music to this because I accidentally deleted it. So I'm going to go to Customize, Edit this page, and I'm going to scroll down here and add new link. I'm going to choose the service, and since it's title, we're going to select title, and then I already have the link in my browser, so let's make sure this has everything, and then I'm going to save the changes. So it should be on here now. Okay. Also, one more thing, I'm going to go back to Customize because I need to rearrange this so that it has like an order to it. So I'm going to put title right above iTunes actually. And now I'm going to save it again. And let's see. Okay, so now it's the way that I want it. And basically how this little link works is when somebody clicks it, it will redirect them to the streaming platform that they use. Or if they want to check out your official website, then they can click that and it takes it straight to it. So it's super easy, definitely helps for promotion, and those saves are important for the beginning phase of your release. So say your music hasn't dropped yet, it's important to get that link out right before it drops so that people can start saving it, and then you can start getting, you know, a little bit of recognition for that because it helps you get placed in playlists. So not a guarantee, but it does help. You can put that Hyperfollow link in all of your social bios, like your Instagram and your Twitter bios, so that when you are doing your release, it's already there. People don't have to search for it. It's the best way to do it. But if you're a person who hasn't used DistroKid before and you want to get your music on Spotify, Apple, and Tidal, and the rest of them, TikTok, Google, whatever, use the link in the description box below to get 7% off your first year of using DistroKid. Now, without further ado, let's get into this beat making session of Just a Girl and Her Machine, episode 9. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed the beat. If you did, hit the like button. And if you want to leave a name for this in the comment section below, you can, because I never know what I'm going to name these things. If you're new around here, hit the subscribe button as well as that little bell so you get a notification every single time I post. And I'm still running the Akai giveaway, so if you want to enter that, use the link in the description box below. I'm announcing the winner on October 1st. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.